And the winner for number 1 in Dentistry Clinic is...
For over 2 decades, Smile Xone Dental Hospital has been a trusted name in comprehensive dental care, setting benchmarks in modern, affordable and patient-centric dentistry across Odisha. Established with the vision of bringing advanced dental treatment closer to communities, Smile Xone has grown into one of Eastern India's leading dental healthcare networks. The hospital offers a wide spectrum of services, including dental implants, smile design, orthodontics, cosmetic dentistry, root canal treatment, pediatric dentistry, and full mouth rehabilitation supported by advanced diagnostic and treatment technologies. Beyond patient care, Smile Xone has played a significant role in dental education and professional training, mentoring hundreds of young dental surgeons. With its commitment to clinical excellence, innovation, and compassionate care, Smile Xone continues to transform smiles and improve oral health outcomes across the region.